Welcome to the MasterChef kitchen. You are our first group of contestants in this year's competition. This could be the start of something incredibly exciting.
Each one of you have brought in your own ingredients to cook for us your signature dish. A dish that shows us something about you as a cook, the food you love, and what you cook for your family and your friends.
There are 4 MasterChef aprons here. At the end of this round, John and I will choose our 2 best dishes. And the cooks of those dishes will claim their MasterChef aprons. The remaining 4 will have to cook off again for the last 2 aprons.
Ladies and gentlemen, calm your nerves, get your ingredients out. You've got 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's cook. This first round is fascinating. We want to see the promise. We want to see a bit of courage. We want to see a bit of adventure. But we want to see a dish which is well practiced, well seasoned, and well delivered.
Dev grew up in Calcutta and loves to use fragrant spices that remind him of his childhood.
I love traveling, and I like the sights and smells and the culture of different places I visit. So every time I cook something, it just takes me back to a country I love.
Dev, you seem to have brought
Yes.
the contents of your kitchen.
Yeah, probably a reflection of how I cook. I do like mixing and matching lots of different ingredients.
What is the dish, please, Dev?
I think it's a bit of a Thai and sort of a Greek influence. I'm making a coconut chicken curry with green olives. I'm making a jungli pilau, which is a wild rice salad served in an aubergine shell, and a garlic and aubergine paste.
You have got a very eclectic style.
Salty olives with sweet coconut milk and spices from Thailand. That's an interesting combination and one I've never had before. If it works, fantastic. But right now, I'm a little bit nervous.
Final 60 seconds. Come on. That's it. Your time is up.
Are you happy? I think so.
Retail manager Dev has made a chicken, olive and coconut curry with a mango and apple salad, a jungli pilau, a wild rice salad served in an aubergine shell, and an aubergine and garlic paste with poppadom shards.
Your cooking's very unusual, Dev. Coconut and olive. It's creamy with a salty finish. It's lovely. And to make a chicken breast that moist is skillful.
This aubergine shell with wild rice, which is cooked perfectly, highly spiced with salty olives, sweet vegetables running through it. This salsa with pomegranate releasing lovely juice but sour apples. Really unique, really interesting. I am properly blown away. Good on you.
Oh, massively relieved. I'm massively relieved. It is quite risky bringing all these different ingredients together. I didn't expect that. I'm literally shaking.